Hey guys, it's me. Just wanted to give you a heads up. We have an unboxing and review. So this one is going to be a little bit long in the reviews and everything. This is inspired by Dead Sea, and you probably have seen me do a couple of tutorials with them and stuff like that. Last month, you'll be seeing a lot more of this company as I get it in to check it out. The first one we got is the Inspired by Sea, and this is the Collagen Firming Cream, and this is for mature skin types. Since I'm getting up there and I'm actually 39, I'm going to need a little bit of extra, I should say. I don't know why you guys are like up there, but this is actually a nice cream. These are all smell so good. Like I told you before, these come with the little booklet. I don't know if this one comes with the spatula. I don't remember. I've been using it every day and I'm kind of not remembering. But there's a little booklet and it tells in there all about their stuff. And of course the signature container, and I'm like looking underneath it because I don't remember if it came in with a spatula or not, and this one does not. Like I said in the other videos, sometimes they come with a spatula and sometimes they don't. This one doesn't, and this is also 50 milliliters, and this is their actual cream. And oh goodness, I guess I shook it. I keep doing that. And yeah, but by the container you can obviously tell that I've been using it. Yeah, I got it all over again, and it's not a big, huge deal because most of the products are interchangeable. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your hands, you can use it, you know, wherever. That one is the actual firming cream, and that one I like to use at night before I go to bed, after I wash my face, of course. And then, of course, they sent me, oh, actually, that does have a little spatula. It was, like, on the bottom. So it does come with its usual spatula, and I'll put that in the top so I remember it's there now that I know it's there. The next one is their facial wash, and this is for all skin types. And this actually, it says effectively cleans skin, moisturizes and refreshes. This is chamomile, vitamin B5 and aloe, and I have been using this, and as you guys could tell, I have been using it. This is like a green color. I don't know if my camera picks it up. It probably picks it up neon, but it's pretty close to it when the sun goes through it. This is great for removing my makeup. I use it every day, even when I'm out. I just refresh my face, and we're good to go. The next one is the foot cream, which this is so amazing when I do my own pedicures and stuff like that. This is their foot cream. I absolutely adore this. They all have this signature smell that is just amazing. And oh, I just love the way their stuff smells. It's just amazing. And these are all bromine, excuse me, BR, if you guys are keeping track. This one is the vanilla coconut, and this is their Dead Sea salts. And I hesitate on opening these because I don't want them all over, and I know how I am, but that's the way that looks. And this is vanilla coconut, and this smells so good, guys. You know, it smells like it's not their signature scent, but it is so good. And then this one is the regular bath salt, and this is a harsh granule. Like that one was a really light granule. This one is a harsh one. And this just smells like the Inspired by the Sea minerals. These are all Dead Sea minerals. They don't test on animals, so that's great. This is the Night Extra Firming and Nourishing Cream. I always get that backwards when I'm telling people about this. And as you can see, they do not test on animals. They are bunny approved. Okay. This is also 50 milliliters, and it's like the other one. This one I think has a spatula, and it keeps running away on me. I have no idea where it is. It's probably at the bottom of the box. But as you can see, it comes in their signature glass container with the metallic top. And then, of course, it comes with an inner seal. And these are all good till 2019. And this is what the inside looks like. It's creamy white. This one actually has a very light scent amongst the other ones, which did not have a light scent. They are really creamy. They are really smooth. I'm absolutely loving their stuff. There is nothing bad to say about this company. People who have had allergic reactions to other stuff, you guys would adore this because this is so good. I wish I could do a giveaway for you guys, but sadly, I don't have enough product, and they haven't made samples yet, so I'm kind of waiting on a samples thing for you guys. But when they do have that, I will be happy to like do a giveaway. This way, you guys can have some of this product too, because you really, really have to try it. There's nothing bad to say about this company. I've been using their products for almost a month now, as you guys saw with the peels and stuff like that, and I am absolutely adoring this company. I mean, you know, there are companies that are like top 10, top 20. This is in the top 5 companies that I am actually adoring, regardless of where they are from. Where they're from does not bother me as long as they're a small company. I just love it when they do no testing on animals. So, you know, vegan or not, this one is one that you'd want to check out for my friends that are actually more of the no test on animals. If you're vegan, I'm not too sure. You might want to check yourself with that. Yeah. So with that said, I am going to see you guys in the next video. Be good to each other. Bye, guys.